Welcome to DermWire News, powered by DermWire.com. DermWire News for Smart Speaker is made possible with advertising support from Ortho Dermatologics. I'm Stephanie Talea with Practical Dermatology Magazine. Pulse Biosciences says the first patients have been treated in its multi-center study to evaluate the safety and efficacy of its nanopulse stimulation NPS technology for eliminating sebaceous hyperplasia, or SH. SH is an unsightly benign skin lesion that typically appears on the facial skin and is considered a difficult-to-treat condition with current modalities. NPS is a non-thermal technology that utilizes ultra-short nanosecond pulsed electrical fields to directly affect cell membranes and intracellular structures while sparing non-cellular tissues. A previously published study of NPS in the treatment of seborrheic keratosis skin lesions in 58 patients provided the first human evidence that NPS's mechanism of action is well suited to target a broad range of difficult-to-treat benign and non-benign skin lesions by targeting the cellular structures of lesions while sparing the surrounding non-cellular dermal layer of skin. The sparing of surrounding non-cellular skin tissues enables the treatment of deeper cellular structures in the skin, such as the sebaceous glands that cause SH lesions. According to one of the study's principal investigators, Dr. Gili Munavalli, the unique potential of NPS to target the overactive sebaceous glands that cause these unsightly lesions without damaging the surrounding dermal tissue shows great promise in treating a common problem that my patients ask about every day. An increase in head-to-head trials will enhance the competition within the psoriasis market, according to global data. The first major biologics that were released were anti-tumor necrosis factor, anti-TNF drugs, such as AbbVie's Humira, Pfizer's Enbrel, and Johnson & Johnson's Remicade. In recent years, a new wave of interleukin-targeting biological therapies, such as IL-17 and IL-23 inhibitors, have been approved and have begun to impact the use and sale of currently marketed anti-TNFs. Pharmaceutical companies are now at a stage where they are just conducting clinical trials comparing the drugs to placebos, but are undertaking head-to-head trials to compare safety and efficacy between biologics. There have been a number of head-to-head clinical trials that compare the safety and efficacy of anti-IL-23 biologics with anti-TNFs, anti-IL-17s compared to anti-TNFs, and anti-IL-17s compared to anti-IL-23 biologics. Head-to-head trials show more frequent intervals where patients are monitored, and the U.S. Food and Drug Administration and European Medicines Agency are known to grant approval based on early endpoints that are likely to predict clinical benefit. These types of trials also break the mold and do not follow the typical model of trial design. However, they allow the comparison of an investigational medicine to a placebo and a currently used medicine. The new deadline for the Galderma Skin Pact Awards is July 31, 2018. The awards are a social responsibility program by Galderma International in partnership with the Canadian Dermatology Association and the Women's Dermatologic Society. It recognizes initiatives that support a sustainable dermatology community. The focus region for 2018 is North America. 4 financial grants of $10,000 will be awarded in 2 categories. Your initiative can compete in either of the 2 categories: community leadership and excellence in education. The top 5 projects in each category will be chosen by a group of 20 expert panelists made up of leading dermatologists from the Women's Dermatologic Society and the Canadian Dermatology Association. These projects will then be revealed to the dermatology community for worldwide online voting. Learn more and submit your project at galdermaskinpact.org by July 31, 2018. Thank you for listening to DermWire News, powered by DermWire.com. This editorially independent program is supported with advertising from Ortho Dermatologics.